In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit card to Trust Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a debit card on Trust Wallet. To add the credentials about any valid debit card, you need to go over to the Buy window. So tap on Buy, either on the home screen or after you select a specific crypto asset such as Bitcoin. And once you tap Buy, you will be able to customize the payment method. You will have to include the amount that you want to purchase in your own local currency or the specific amount of that asset, and then tap on the payment method. In here, usually, you will be able to switch to credit card. So if you have Apple Pay selected by default, for example, just tap on the option here after you input the amount that you will be buying and switch over to credit or debit card. After you tap this option, you can now input all of the necessary details. If for whatever reason only credit cards are available, then sadly you will not be able to use a debit card for your account or region. It seems like it is a limitation for some places, so keep that in mind. You can still try with this method and see if it works. So after you choose, you will see a list of providers. Usually they will have different rates displayed at the right side, so make sure that you choose the one that gives you the most value out of your money. And once you choose any of these providers, you will be redirected to their website where you can finish this by inputting the necessary information such as the card number, cardholder's name, expiry date, and security code. Finish it off with the billing address and you can save the card by ticking this option here. Like I said before, this will depend on which region you are on because sometimes they might not have debit card options, so just check by tapping on Pay With. I hope I was able to help you on how to add debit card to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.